Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Rachel. It's lovely to have you here today. We're going to do a 5 minute, just 5 minute standing stretch session. You don't need anything at all, just a little bit of space. So go ahead, get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so let us begin. We're going to start with our feet hip width apart. You're going to draw the tummy muscles in. I want you to tuck your bottom under a little bit and then let your arms just come down by your side and just take a moment to think about the length through the body. So imagine we've got a little thread in the top of the head here and it's just pulling you up. You can feel your spine elongating and then you're going to keep that sense of length. Breathe in, lift the arms up and breathe out, stretching them out to the side. So you're going to inhale up and exhale out. Breathing in as you lift, breathing out as you open. Inhale up and exhale out. One more, inhale up. And exhale, taking the arms out to the side. Now we're going to bring the right arm up. And as you breathe out, you're just going to take that hand over, that arm over. We're trying to feel the stretch through the side of the body here. And you're going to lift and lower down. Other way, inhale. Exhale over. Inhale up and lower. Again, deep breath in. So just energizing our body, waking it up for whatever the day has ahead, or equally you can use this as a nice cool down as well. And lift and lower. Now you're going to take your hands behind you, you're going to interlace the fingers and you're going to draw those arms back. And I want you to feel that nice stretch through the chest. Good. Then you're going to bring your hands forward, you're going to bend the knees, and then you're going to take the hands forward and at the same time tuck under. So we're pulling in here, we're getting a stretch through the lumbar spine. Let's do that again. So take the hands behind you, interlace the fingers and stretch. You can lift your head as well if you want to. You can raise your arms a little higher if that feels nice. And then we're going to bend the knees. Bring the hands in front, and as those hands go forward, tucking under, finding that stretch in the lumbar spine. Should we do it one more time? Take the hands behind you and stretching out, raising the head. Feel that stretch. And then the hands in front, bending the knees and taking those arms forward, tucking under with that tailbone. Good. All right. And then from there, let's do a little stretch of the legs now. Okay, so we're back to our standing position. You're going to put the weight on this leg and you're going to raise this leg up, taking hold of the knee and see if you can bring your knee into your chest and come down. Other side, we're going to lift, pull the knee into the chest and down. You might find this a bit of a challenge. You can always hold on with one arm on a chair if you need to. A little lift and down. Now take the legs wide. Let's stretch the inner thighs. So turning those legs out, tummy muscles in, we're going to gently lower down. So keep a nice straight back, lowering down until you feel the stretch here and then come back up. So we're going to lower and back up. We're going to lower and back up. One more, lower and back up. Bring those feet back in. Let's do the head and the neck. So we're going to do a little tilt over to the side and come back up. Another way, over and up. Over and up. One more, over and up. Now turning to look to your right. And come back to the center and to your left and center, right and center, left and center. Well done. Okay, let's take the feet wide again. Going to do a nice little stretch here, sequence here to finish. So you can take the arms out to the side. We're going to go over to the side. Nice stretch. Okay, now you're going to gently turn and we're going to reach that hand forward, the other hand back, and come down as low as feels okay for you. Nice straight back there. Now bring that arm down to the foot. Other hand in the air, you can feel that stretch with the hamstring. Head is just hanging down. Both hands down to the floor and bring your body to the center. That's it. Now you're going to take your arms over to the other side. So we're going in reverse now. So you take one arm up behind you. You're going to take one arm forward, coming up, feeling that stretch in the hamstrings. And then you're going to come over to the side and we're going to lift up. Let's go back the other way. So we're going to go over. And then you're going to rotate. You just work within your own comfort zone here. And then we're going to go down. Good. Both hands down, body to the center. And you're going to swing the body to the other side. Take one arm up behind you. Take one arm forward. Good. Come to the side and up. We'll do it once more each way. So we're going to go a little faster. All right, so we're not holding in any one position. We're just moving down. Other side, out, out, to the side and up. Back the other way. So we're going to go over, turn, down, to the center, side, reach out, side and over. Well done. You're going to bring your feet back together. You're going to draw the tummy in. Let's finish with some roll down. So take a breath in, breathe out, take the chin to the chest, bend the knees, pull the tummy in and just roll the body forward, all the way down. Now reach your arms out towards me, nice flat back. That's it. Then push up through those legs, up and arms out to the side. And take a breath in, rolling down, bending the knees as you go. Reach the arms out. That's it. Sink a little lower if you can. Push up through those legs, arms out to the side. Last one, deep breath in and exhale, chin to the chest, rolling down. Good. Reach those arms out, nice flat back, sinking down if you can. Push up through those legs and arms out to the side. Well done. Thank you very much, everyone. That was your 5-minute stretch. You can use it as a warm-up, a cool-down, a prep for a longer Pilates session. I do hope you enjoyed it. Do press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Take care and bye for now.